o'clock in the morning. For $21 a day, once a month. Why do you go for a hike without any warning? For $21 a day, once a month. Your feet will hurt, your back will ache, and you'll be muscle bound. But a day, once a month.
I'm a busy man, dragging me all the way down here to talk about a rocket to the moon. It's ridiculous. Comic book stuff.
Comic book stuff, eh? Life magazine doesn't think so. Nor Look, nor Pick, nor Collier's, nor your biggest daily newspapers.
It'll never get off the ground. No propellers.
Rockets do not employ propellers. They use jets.
So do gas stoves. But they don't fly to the moon.
Obviously, you know nothing about rockets. Now, let's pretend that umbrella of yours is a shotgun. Shoot it.
Who pushed me?
The gun, Woody. The charge not only fired out of the muzzle, it kicked back with equal force against the barrel.
It wouldn't happen again in 100 times.
Shoot it at the ground a few times in rapid succession and see what happens. That same principle applies to rockets. It is the same shotgun kick of the explosives that throws the rocket forward. That kick, incidentally, is quite independent of the air around the rocket. It works just as well in a vacuum, or in outer space, which is a vacuum. The moon is a great deal easier to reach than you realize.
Oh, sure, it's a cinch. Only 240,000 miles. Paved highway all the way and a gas station at every intersection.
Fuel is no problem, Woody. The engines do not have to blast all the time. Just long enough to get you away from the gravitational pull of the Earth, following which you fall wherever you're headed for. Get in and I'll demonstrate.
Hey, let me out of here. Help! Help!
Can't hear you, Woody. No air, remember. Turn on your aerial.
Hey, no brakes on this thing. I'm gonna crash. How do I land?
Very simple. Just reverse the takeoff.
Yeah, but what about the wings?
Can't use them. The moon has no air.
Now he tells me.
Turn the ship around. Use the shotgun kick of the exhaust to break the speed and set her gently on her tail.
So we made it. But how do we get home from this piece of cheese?
Shooting a rocket from the moon to the Earth is a great deal easier than shooting from the Earth to the moon.
Sensational. I'm sold. I'll back it to the hill. Here's my $2. Well, when do we start building?
I'll take a chance on this one. All right, come on. Where's the ruby? Now to wrap up the case.
This idea is my own. By air, the only way to travel. it didn't work.
Laughing gas.
Hey, that's my laugh. You can't do that.
Or a sheep.
Or a woodpecker.
Or a pussy.
What is that?
It's ink.
If he was such a genius, why didn't he leave his will where we could find it?
Woody Woodpecker.
You've got to keep an open mind when you are listening. Show fairness in all the things you do.
If you want to join the Kids for Character Club, just ask an adult to help you write to this address.
Extravehicular activity. That's just a fancy way of saying, let's go outside for a walk. The trouble is, it's cold out in space. See? Even Chili's freezing. And there is no air to breathe out here.
That's right, Woody. Or even a walk on the moon.
There you are. Snug as a bug in a rug. For a penguin, I mean. Hey, where are you going? I'm allergic to cheese. Now comes the hard part. Getting back home. The lunar lander will fly up from the moon and have to not only find the orbiting capsule, but actually grab onto it.
Howdy.
And home we go.
You popped Woody Woodpecker!
Hey, who invited you anyway? You're a troublemaker.